This is Solver. Last year, Huawei released the world's first tri-foldable smartphone, taking Samsung and other key players in the foldable smartphone segment by surprise. Now, taking a look at how Huawei was able to catch the attention of the tech world with this tri-foldable technology, one wonders how this has really impacted Huawei's position in the foldable smartphone market segment in China and the world at large. Now, latest updates on how the foldable smartphone market is looking is officially out. Now, according to reports from IDC, Huawei continues to dominate the Chinese foldable smartphone markets, with Huawei currently holding one of the biggest ever market share in China. Putting Huawei's performance aside, one key tech giant seems to be missing from the Chinese foldable smartphone market, which is no other brand but Samsung. It seems Samsung has accepted defeat when it comes to the Chinese foldable smartphone market, but at a global level, things are looking very different, with Samsung equally displaying a level of dominating lead. Now, per report, Huawei was able to dominate the Chinese foldable smartphone market with the release of the Mate X6 as well as the Mate ST tri-foldable smartphone. This has allowed Huawei to capture over 48% market share, which in other words is about half of the foldable smartphone market share in China. And Honor, which used to be a sub-brand of Huawei, follows at a second position with over 20% market share, whilst Vivo follows at the third with 11% market share, and Xiaomi and Oppo follows with over 7% and 5% market share, respectively. Now, among all these brands, Samsung seems to be missing when it comes to competition in the Chinese market, but at a global level, Samsung is equally dominating with over 50% market share. So, as things stands, Huawei may be leading the Chinese market, but at a global level, Samsung continues to dominate the global foldable smartphone market. Now, Samsung on the other hand seems not to be focusing too much on the Chinese market, knowing very well how complicated the Chinese market is, and this strategy seems to be working very well for them. Now, when it comes to the survival of Huawei, no one ever expected Huawei to continue to dominate the Chinese market following the US sanction leveled against them in 2019. But here we are, seeing Huawei still dominating the Chinese market. What do you think about this? Some people believe that Samsung seems to be having a free ride at a global level because Apple has equally not yet ventured into the foldable smartphone market segment as of now. Now, others also believe that the current US sanction on Huawei is equally another contributing factor, allowing Samsung to dominate the global foldable smartphone markets. Now, which of these perspectives do you belong to? Kindly let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And if you find this content informative, kindly don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my next updates. Peace out.